Hello everyone and welcome to another lipstick on a rig crochet tutorial video. Today I'm going to be adding to my basic crochet series and I'm going to be showing you how to make a magic loop like this. Let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to want to do is grab your tail here and you're going to want to drape it over your working yarn to create a loop like that. Insert your hook inside this loop while holding that intersection. And then I kind of have to switch hands a little bit to get the placement of my fingers correct. From here, you're going to want to yarn over and pull your yarn through that loop like that. So it kind of looks a little wonky, but what I like to do is I like to grab the bottom part of my loop and hold it in place and kind of keep a couple of fingers inside that loop so I can make sure that I'm actually working into the correct portion. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to crochet over the tail right here. And you're also going to want to crochet over the loop. So you're crocheting over both of these right here. If you're doing a double crochet, for example, you would just yarn over like normal and finish out your stitch. And it's a little tricky at first, but no big deal. And then you would just continue to yarn over and double crochet inside this loop as many times as your pattern calls for. So a lot of times it's around 10 or 12. And all you're doing is crocheting inside that loop there. So once you get, an adequate number of double crochets inside your magic loop, we're going to practice by pulling on the tail. And this is a great way to know if you've done it correctly. So grab that tail right here and just start to slowly pull on it, and it should tighten your loop up as you're going. So here you can see we form sort of an almost circle. If I had done more double crochets, this would have been a more complete circle. Alright, let's practice one more time. Grab your tail, drape it over your working yarn. Insert your hook up through your loop that you've created and make sure you keep a hold of your intersection while you change hands. Yarn over and pull through. Now we're going to test with one stitch to make sure that we did it correctly, so go ahead and crochet double crochet or half double crochet or single crochet inside of your magic loop and pull that tail. If the loop moves in, then you've done it correctly. So congratulations, you now know how to crochet a magic loop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day.